Honda Racing Corporation headquarters in Japan is an almost mythical place which houses some of the most expensive and high-tech motorcycle technology in the world. It's here that Honda's race bikes, from 125 road racing through to MotoGP, superbikes, motocross and even trials, are discussed, designed and built all by hand. The reception area at HRC, with its exhibition of great bikes and illustrious history, gives an idea of the pedigree of engineering that lies behind the closed doors. Like any major and successful corporation, the key to HRC's accomplishments on the track is smooth administration and commercial success off it, which makes these offices a hive of activity all year round. The workers do get a chance to rest though, and this is where the people from the R&D department get their R&R, the appropriately named English Garden, which features a path running around the outside based around the design of the Isle of Man TT circuit, in recognition of their success there in the late 1950s when Honda really showed the world that they were a force to be reckoned with. Of course, the most crucial stage in the creation of a race bike is in the design, and it's in these offices where some of the most highly skilled and innovative engineering minds in the world go to work, using the latest technology to create high-performance parts made from the lightest possible materials. As you can see there though, one of the key values for HRC is the human touch, and each race department is reminded of this by a banner bearing their own slogan, in this case the MotoGP department, which reads Challenge and Trust. Unsurprisingly, HRC used the latest computer technology in the design of their race bikes, such as this aerodynamic simulation program, which calculates wind flow around and through the bike based on data gathered in wind tunnel tests. The red area is showing there where the impact is at its strongest, allowing the engineers to adjust the design accordingly. If there's one area that HRC have excelled in over their rivals in recent years, it's with their engines. The 990cc V5 has arguably proved to be the smoothest, most powerful, most reliable and most balanced motor of the four-stroke era, thanks in a large part due to the work done in this department, the bench test rooms. Every engine design is run through its paces in these Willy Wonka style rooms, where the engineers can control the revs, gears and speeds at the touch of a button. They can even dial in the telemetry settings from a specific circuit, using data gathered by Nicky Hayden or Danny Pedrosa, directly compare the performance of a brand new engine with that of an old one. Well, either side of that process is a course of incredible craftsmanship, which takes place here on the assembly line. Under the watchful eye of HRC's managing director Satoru Horike, the human touch is again evident as each engine is put together by hand. Well, the engineers wear white overalls so that they can lay each part against their arm and check for imperfections, whilst any unwanted oil spillage would also be quickly detected. The engines are fitted into the chassis and then every other part is put onto the bike, also all by hand. Any changes to, say, the aerodynamics or any other part of a factory HRC bike can make it to this stage in a matter of days. The constantly changing demands of a rider over the course of a season can be met quickly and effectively. The end product, the fastest and most technically advanced GP bike of all time.